Alright, guys, so I'm checking out Genspark's YouTube clipping right now. It's been uploading my previous video about the AI showdown. Go and watch that if you haven't seen it. And it's been uploading now for, God, at least 4 or 5 minutes. So, yeah, this might be something to kind of have against it. We'll see. I don't have the best internet connection, but yeah. Anyway, I'll let you guys know when it's done, and we'll test out this cool feature. Okay, so now something happened. It's analyzing my video, trying to understand what my AI showdown video is about. If you haven't seen it, I used ChatGPT, Grok, and Claude to try to find out who can give the best, I'm talking the best, Hormozy style funnel website. And check it out. Who won? You'd be surprised who actually did the best job on the design. So, perfect. I can see this on 70 trend. Under content. Okay. It's parsing. Oh, something is happening. What would be nice is if it cuts at least a few perfect YouTube or TikTok shorts out of that 9-minute video I did. You know, if it could do that, this might be the new best clip factory AI. I'm gonna check out some of the competition as well for in this video or in a different video, so stay tuned. I know that there's a lot of demand for cutting up YouTube videos into clips, so that's why I was so interested in testing out this one. Verify with timestamps. Create the final video clips, okay? It's trimming it. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. I hope they're good. I wonder what it's gonna come up with. Probably the end showing what it gave, or All right, still going. I think it's been at least 15 minutes or more that it's been processing this. All right, let's go, boys. An 8-minute video, 4 key segments. Okay, ChatGPT designs a landing page. Yeah. See, yeah, it's doing what it's extracting that. One Grok did. Yeah, these are good titles. Final product, 10 to 30 seconds is okay. Let's find out what it is. Okay. So let's check on the clips. I don't know what is going on over here on the left, but I'm going to pause it for a second. Yeah, it's pretty good. Option to book, option to watch the VSL, and then here I can put my video in. The problem, I don't know if I like how this is a little bit bigger, but yeah, not so bad. I don't know how I feel about the color scheme, but that is something that you can easily fix. Okay, these are some thumbnails. Okay. Sites. Okay, so this is what Grok came up with. I like the color scheme. Unlock your data's brain, a RAG AI that thinks like your best paralegal. Okay, so this is targeting my attorney niche. So we basically just cut the first 5 or 10 seconds of each of the displays from my video. I mean, that's not bad. It definitely knew where the attention was supposed to be. It definitely knew that the video pretty much had an intro, 4 main parts, and then the end. And it picked up every single main part. It's coming up with ideas on how I could sell it. Would I actually post these shorts? Maybe not, because I would probably have to add a little bit of context to it. But I could definitely see in a monologue or in a video where you're talking straight to the camera and just talking about some event or doing business education, talking about something in your business, I could really see a benefit to this. For tech stuff where you're making websites, and yeah, I could even see a benefit for this. I think the video I used was not the best one, but I think it proves the point that this is now a feasible solution. I encourage everyone to check out Genspark, put in a video, see what happens. It could really be a game changer for AI automation.